In this video, you'll learn how to back up a WordPress website using the Updraft Plus plugin. By following these steps, you will ensure that your website data is safe and easily recoverable in case of any issues. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the menu on the left side of the screen. From this menu, locate and click on plugins. This section allows you to manage and add new plugins to enhance your website's functionality. After selecting plugs, you will see an option labeled Add New at the top of the page. Click on Add New to access the plugin repository. This is where you can search for various plugins that can help with different tasks on your WordPress site. In the search bar on the right side of the screen, type in Updraft Plus. As you type, you will see a list of plugins appear below the search bar. Look for the Updraft Plus plugin, which is typically the first option in the list, and click on the Install button next to it. This process may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, the Install button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the Updraft Plus plugin on your website. After activation, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the plugin is now active. Next, navigate to the Settings menu on the left sidebar of your dashboard. Under Settings, find and click on Updraft Plus. This will take you to the Updraft Plus settings page where you can configure your backup options. On the Updraft Plus settings page, look for the button labeled Backup Now. Click this button to initiate the backup process. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to confirm your backup settings. Once you have reviewed the options, click on Backup to start the backup. Depending on the size of your website, this process may take some time. You will see a progress indicator while the backup is being created. After the backup is complete, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the backup was successful. It is advisable to check the storage location for your backups, which can be set in the Updraft Plus settings. Make sure you have enough storage space available to accommodate your backups, especially if your website contains a lot of media files. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.